Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we'll be talking about how to raid or slash live redirect someone on YouTube. The feature just came out like officially, so if you guys are confused on how to do it, it's a pretty simple process. So if you guys want to start, you just need to start up your live stream. So just start up your live stream normally. Go to like schedule a stream. I'm just gonna schedule this one. Gonna make sure it's private so no random people just join it. So we're gonna schedule this live stream. Now you're gonna wanna start up your live stream. So I'm just gonna go over here. I'm gonna start this stream right here. I'm gonna start this one, and now this stream is live. So after you have this, you wanna go to your customization. You need to go to live redirect here. So just pick a channel of your choosing. There's recommended ones that you can choose from here, but I'm gonna choose like Ryan Evango for instance, just to show example of someone that doesn't have a certain option set up. So you go to Ryan's stream, redirect privileges needed. So Ryan does not have something set up. So you need to go to your community settings, that you don't even know, or you don't have like, so you don't have to like choose who raids you every single time. Just make sure you have it on all channels can redirect you, so anybody can raid you whoever they want. So make sure you just allow creators, and then it'll allow you to be raided by anybody. So now you can just redirect someone. For example, we can just redirect Typical Gamer, and yeah, it should be right here. It should show this. So you just click save, and now I'm gonna pull up Typical Gamer's live stream right here. I mean my live stream. So give me a second. Okay, now guys, now you just want to end your stream. So it's gonna tell you, gonna give you a notice that you're gonna be sending viewers over here. So all you have to do is click end your stream. So I'm gonna go over to this stream right here, where after I clicked end, we're just gonna wait, and now it's gonna say stay tuned, Jonathan Plays is sending you over here. So you just wait, and it's gonna send all your viewers, absolutely everyone. They're gonna watch an ad, because you know that's what you usually do. I see 2 ads saying Typical Gamer going crazy with the money. Yeah, and now we are rated the Typical Gamer's live stream. So that is how you rate someone / live to redirect someone on YouTube. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe, help me reach 14.5k and use code JMP in the item shop if you play Fortnite. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.